Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on to send money from Lynk to NCB. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So to get started with the steps on how to send money from Lynk to NCB, the first thing to do is to link your NCB bank account to your Lynk. So open the Lynk app on your smartphone, then navigate to cash in section, then choose the options to connect your NCB bank account. Then follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your NCB account to your linked wallet. Then after that, here's a key important note that linking your NCB account allows seamless transfer between your bank and Lynk wallet. So the next thing to do is to transfer funds from your Lynk to your NCB account. So in the Lynk app, go to your cash out or transfer section. Then select your NCB bank account as the destination. Then enter the amount you wish to transfer from there. Then review the transaction details accuracy. Then from there, tap on confirm, and that's how to send money from your Lynk to NCB bank account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.